everyone, so I was surprised to receive a high request for this look I wore in my Hot Miami Styles try on haul video, and I initially filmed this look for my Instagram account where I post a lot of makeup looks, but because I got a high request for it on here, so I decided to edit and post it for you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. And this is the palette we're going to be using today, but initially when I received this palette from Wemakeup Cosmetics, I wasn't sure the look to film with it until I decided to use these colors I used for the eyes, which everyone seemed to love. So I'm first going to apply a transitional color, and I'm using a warm brown shade, and I'm just simply going to concentrate it right on my crease. Like, transitional colors are very important because they help your other shadows blend in better, so just take your time and concentrate and just blend it all out. Next, to deepen the crease, I will use a more pigmented shade, which is this kind of burgundy pink matte color. I will use one of my favorite Beauty Crush eyeshadow brushes, which is their soft precision crease, to pack the eyeshadow on the sockets of my crease and then blend it out. I really do love the quality of these shadows, guys. Like, it blends out flawlessly. So while I was blending the shadows, I decided to just blend the shade all the way to the V section of my eyes. I thought that this would add some depth and shadow to the eyes, and it really did. You can definitely create this look if you have similar colors. And next, I will use a concealer to clean out my lid. I want to make the lid space pop. That is why I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to clean out the lid and create kind of a cut crease. And when creating my cut crease, I love to use a short, stiff and precise brush and also a very creamy concealer. This helps make sure your cut crease is sharp and nice. At first, I wasn't sure if I should use the blue shade on my inner lid or the purple shade, but I finally decided to use the blue one inside the lid and the purple outside. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. Again, just take your time, don't rush it. Like, when it comes to eyeshadow, you have to have time, you have to exercise a lot of patience. And over here, I'm just using the purple shade. Like I said, I'm just, using it on the outside portion of my lid, and also make sure I blend the two colors so you don't see any gap between the two. So once everything is looking nice, I'm going to then apply a nice winged liner using Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. And pen liners are easier for me than gel or liquid, and I'm literally obsessed with this one from Tarte. I mean, it's very black and I love it. It just makes everything so much easier for me. So I'm going to then apply line on my waterline to give my eyes that smoky effect. Also, I will apply mascara and pop on some lashes. I can't even talk today. And like I said, this wasn't meant for YouTube, you guys. I unfortunately didn't have the foundation, contour and highlight part of this video. So this is just focused on the eyes and the lips. So going back to the eyes, I will use the burgundy pink shadow to smoke out my under lash line. This will help balance and coordinate the look, and I will also apply mascara on my lower lash line just to tie everything together. And I'm using, I think, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. We're almost done, guys. She ready? Almost ready. Hold on. So for the lips, I will line with NYX brown lip liner. And then for lipstick, I'll apply, I think, Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Lipstick in 109. And after that, I'll apply Fentybeauty Gloss Bomb, which is my favorite lip gloss. And that is it, you guys. I wasn't planning to post this video on here, but by popular demand, I just had to. I post makeup looks on my Instagram page every day, so please come say hi and check them out. And yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And till my next one, I will see you all very soon. Bye. Love you.
Into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly grows. With each new one starting, I recall.